Hello, and welcome to the Rhonda Said Show. Show enough, show do. What's up? I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. Today, I am just gonna put on a look with the Moonspell palette, Volume 2 from Lunar Beauty. I've done a look with it before, but I thought it bears repeating. It's such a gorgeous color story. And I thought we could just chit chat. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Waka, waka, waka. Anyway, so as you guys know from my last video that I am doing the bariatric surgery and I am currently on a restrictive diet. And you can hear the kitten Ruby playing with boxes because she loves boxes. And I'm going to go into Alex here. Ruby, stop it! And so the diet is 1,500 calories, less than 40 grams of carbs. And that is a lot of fun. But I've already lost like about 10 pounds in the last 4 days. So that's great. It's supposed to be reducing my liver because sometimes people who are overweight have fatty livers. And to ensure that the liver doesn't get in the way of surgery, we do these diets. Some people do liquid diets. I am lucky I have a diet where I get to eat delicious food. So I'm very excited about that. So I don't feel like I'm just living on protein shakes. Let's see. Let's go into Sally. That's an interesting combination. The thing that's going to be the hardest for me to give up once I have the surgery is carbonated beverages. I am addicted to diet sodas. I used to have a big problem with Bangs. If you've been around, you know I used to drink Bangs like they were going out of style. That's pretty. It's unexpected. But it's in the same palette, so you figure it goes together. I'm going to go into Mildred. Put it on the lid. That's pretty. So anyway, my favorites are Dr. Pepper Zero, which I can't find anymore. And so it's that Dr. Pepper and then Coke Zero. And I'm like a crazy monkey for these drinks. But at least they're not the regular sugar sodas. But of course, all sodas are not good for you at all. But that hasn't stopped me. But it will stop me because I can't have the bubblies anymore once I have the surgery. Which will be fine. I'll adjust and live and have a wonderful life. I'm going to go into grams. That's pretty. Kind of pinking up that terracotta color. So that's going to be hard to give up. And I really am going to miss certain sweets, like Little Debbie's. A fat girl that likes Little Debbie's shocked the world. But they were delicious, but they're just no longer a part of my life anymore. I have kicked them to the curb because I want a new life where I'm healthier. I'm going to go into Queenie. This is a lot of color. But it's okay, I'm wearing just a boring navy shirt, so why not? That looks pretty. I think I'm gonna go into Alex again and brush it out a little further up top. So there's lots of things that I will miss, but to feel better all the time and to be able to move around more and have more stamina and be able to just live better will be totally worth the whole process as far as I'm concerned. I'm going to do liner and mascara and I'll be right back. And voila, that looks so pretty. I can't believe the colors came together so nicely, but that's what you get when you use a palette that's very cohesive. You're able to pull off all kinds of crazy colors together. And my landlord is finishing up mowing the lawn now. He wasn't mowing when I started. Lucky us. He's right on the side of the building. Woo! Party! And I'm going to use a beautiful color that I got from a mystery box. No, I bought this on purpose. It's from the orange palette from Jeffree Star, the pricked collection. And it is called Cutthroat Love. And I'm gonna, maybe I got this in a mystery box. Need to clean that up a little bit. I've made a mess. Oh well, good enough. Close enough for rock and roll. Nobody, don't tell that I messed up my lipstick. It happens so rarely. But I want to thank you so much for being with me in my process. And I hope you have a fantastic day or day of your choice. And we'll see you next time with more stories. Maybe something besides bariatric story next time. Maybe. Bye. Have a great day.